I've always been convinced of the motivational value of music in language teaching, and this is the reason why I've made it my #1 professional priority. My name is Pascal Archimed. I'm an ESL trainer. I'm also a pedagogical engineer, and I have implemented a training sequence within which music is the main educational tool. This approach, which is now part of my professional practice, has been the subject of a book published in French in 2014 entitled Musique en formation linguistique professionnelle. Then it was published in 2015 in English under the title Music in Professional Language Training. Before going further, let's take a look at this report broadcast on a French TV channel.
Pour son travail, Chantal doit apprendre l'anglais. Problème, elle se laisse facilement envahir par le stress. Elle a donc choisi d'essayer la méthode musicale enseignée par Pascal Archimed.
C'est vrai que la méthode de Pascal m'a donné confiance en moi et m'a donné envie vraiment d'aller plus loin. Du fait on est porté par la musique, porté par le rythme, on choisit ses chansons, donc on a déjà une approche personnelle qui aide.
Une approche originale et personnalisée, mais néanmoins complète.
Il s'agit d'apprendre l'anglais à partir de la musique, donc à partir d'une chanson de l'artiste préféré du stagiaire. Je mets en place des activités de manière à pouvoir renforcer et développer les 4 compétences linguistiques que sont la lecture, l'écriture, l'écoute et le parler, en y ajoutant une touche culturelle qui pour certains linguistes serait la 5e compétence linguistique.
Et ça marche. Chantal a déjà obtenu 3 diplômes en anglais et son professeur n'y est pas étranger.
Vraiment, je ne sais pas comment le remercier parce que c'est un plaisir de travailler avec lui.
Une méthode qui pourrait permettre aux Français de se remettre à niveau. En juin dernier, une enquête classait la France parmi les pires élèves européens en langues étrangères.
Have a good week, Pascal.
The same to you. Bye-bye.
Fine.
So, some of you might say learning and teaching English with music, obvious. My answer is not that much. Why? Because through my various teaching experiences, I have noticed that the more we advance within the school system, especially the French one, the less music is used.
Yeah.
Personally, I had excellent results using it in primary and in secondary schools, so I said to myself, why not use it in a professional context with corporate objectives? To present this approach, I will first tell you about the genesis of this project, then I will show you how it's been built and analyzed. During this experiment, I was working with 2 groups, one composed of job seekers and the second one made of employees in the hotel industry. In terms of programs, we had seen the present tenses with the trainees' habits and current situations, the past tenses with their socio-professional backgrounds, and the next step was the future tenses with their socio-professional projects. We had 8 hours to reach those objectives. Here is the diagram I had in mind to carry out this project. My idea was to choose a song by the trainee's favorite artist. Of course, this song had to be in line with the objectives. Once the song was chosen, I had to design activities to develop and reinforce the 4 language skills, which are speaking, writing, reading, and listening, while adding a cultural touch. In this context, the trainees chose Sade, an English-speaking artist, and I selected the song When Am I Going to Make a Living from the album Diamond Life, released in 1984. To make it short, this is the story of someone who had faced difficulties in life and who was now projecting into the future. In terms of result factors, we've had a 90% success rate and a 100% satisfaction rate. So by 90% success rate, I mean that 90% of the trainees reached the objectives set at the beginning of the training, and 100% satisfaction rate, which means that 100% of them literally wrote it down in the assessment questionnaire that they really loved this musical approach. So, to conclude, I will say that to me, I think that all capacities of music as an educational tool today are not fully exploited. My target is really to combine business with pleasure. All right? And I think that I've managed to make it. And so this method is now available on Amazon and has been first published in French. Then it got published in English, and I really hope that it will be published in additional languages.
Chinese.
Why not? Yeah, of course, I'm ready for it. So, to conclude, I will end up this presentation with a couple of reviews regarding the book.